Welcome to the members conference room. This is an introductory training on how to operate the AV equipment within the room. The room itself has no room controls, and it's a very simple AV setup. We have a 70-inch sharp TV, and so we're going to start by operating the room with the television remote control. So to begin with, we're going to use the power button to turn the TV on. The TV should be defaulted to input 1, which is the setting for the Barco ClickShare application, wireless content sharing application. To use additional features within the TV itself, such as the volume section, you'll use the remote control to raise or lower the volume of the room. There's no additional channel settings that you need to operate, but you may choose to change the input from input 1, which is the Barco, to input 2, which is the HDMI cable in the table itself. The input button will allow you to navigate between HDMI 1, input 1 and input 2. Both inputs are HDMI, but it will allow you to toggle between those applications. Otherwise, you're really only going to use the volume control settings within the application to enable the remote control. Once the TV is turned on, you should be at you should see the Barco ClickShare splash screen on the display, and this is what it should look like. It'll say in the bottom, it will say the members room down here, and you should be able to connect the Barco and move on from there. This is the Barco ClickShare device. It has a USB port that you're going to plug into your laptop or your Microsoft Surface. It supports Mac, it supports Windows, and so anything that's got a USB USB application, it will support. You'll see here that we have the link to the web page to go download the application itself. The application is also runs on the actual Barco ClickShare. So when you plug it in to your laptop, as an example, you're going to have to launch the ClickShare application, and what will happen is this little ring will turn white, and you'll click this center button after that ring is white to be able to display. Every time you use the unit, you have to actually launch the mini app or applet on your computer to be able to present up to the display. There's also software available at this particular link to download for iOS or Android tablets, where you don't have the option to have a USB insert, and as a result, you have to be able to download the application and then join the Barco. In order to join the Barco, you're also going to have to be on the MEMA corporate network to be able to search and navigate and find the Barco as an option. So this is the Barco ClickShare for wireless presentation purposes, and it's very simple to use. You just need to make sure you have it plugged in and seated correctly with the USB port, and you need to make sure that in your Windows software you launch the applet that the Barco requires you to run. Once the applet's launched and it's going to run in the background in your system tray, it will you'll be able to press the center button, and you'll see that the red LED will turn white when you're presenting. Multiple people can present at the same time, or up to 2 different people can present at the same time. It is a step in, step out, so you cannot present both screens simultaneously. But if I'm presenting as an example and it's Rebecca's turn to present next, if she's already got the ClickShare plugged into her device, she can simply click the button. It'll kick me out, and her display will, and her machine will be displayed next. We also have the HDMI cable in the back, in the on the in the plate, in the furniture wall plate, and you can simply plug in the HDMI cable to display your laptop or your your device that you're using. It is HDMI only. If you require mini HDMI or a Thunderbolt to HDMI adapter, you'll have to provide those for for Mac and for the Windows Surface tablets, whatever your devices may be. It's a standard HDMI cable. And again, just as a remembrance, you're going to actually have to switch the TV to input 2 to use the HDMI cable. So again, this is input 2 on the TV, HDMI. And that's pretty much the only operation that's required for the members conference room. You have those 2 presentation options, and then again you use the remote control to power on the TV and to increase the volume or change the inputs.